Hi there, this is Daniel on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're going to be drilling our strike hole, which is where our deadbolt will actually go into the casing. A couple things to pay attention to. Usually this is just a surface board. All your casings are, and they're hollow behind it. So when you go through it, one of two things will happen. It'll either be completely hollow for an inch behind it, or you'll have a stud directly behind it, which you'll need to drill through. If you have a stud, a standard hole saw is not going to do the job, because you'll have to go entirely through the stud in order to create a hole. You'll need to use an auger bit. So just pay attention to that. Once your pilot bit goes through, if you are using a hole saw, you'll know immediately if that's the case, because your hole saw will go immediately flush against the casing. So we'll go ahead and drill that. And notice how we dropped right through. That lets us know that this is indeed hollow. You'll notice that it dropped right back in, so we know that this is hollow. Once we pull this out, the centerpiece comes with it. We can see that we definitely have enough room in there that we don't have to drill any farther.